Sharing a task with another teacher is easy. From the main dashboard, select Tasks. You can now choose any task at all, from active tasks to archived tasks to draft tasks, even those shared with you. Click on the task itself. Now select Share. Just start typing the name of any teacher in your school with a Writer's Toolbox account. Click on the name you want to receive the task. You can add multiple teachers if you want. When you're ready, select Share. In addition, you can even send tasks to any teacher in the Writer's Toolbox community. As long as they have a Writer's Toolbox account, they will also receive the task you're sharing.